Conditions are also not good in the national capital. It's the third day of continuous downpour in Delhi, and by the looks of it, the state government and the machinery has failed again. The capital is virtually halted in its pace. The BJP, Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party indulged in the blame game over the civic mess. It's a virtual war between the Aam Aadmi Party controlled PWD and the BJP controlled MCD, with both blaming each other for the waterlogging in the national capital. While the corporation blamed Delhi government, the PWD for not desilting the drains, PWD officials maintained the work had been completed last month.
दिल्ली सरकार के पास कोई योजना ही नहीं है कि भाई अगर इस तरह से बारिश होगी तो उसकी हम किस तरीके से उसको निकासी उसकी करेंगे जाके। ब्लेम गेम चल रहा है, जबकि मैं समझता हूं दिल्ली सरकार के पास इतना अधिकार है कि वो एमसीडी के कमिश्नर्स को बुलाकर उनसे बातचीत करके कोऑर्डिनेशन के अंदर काम कर सकते थे। अब आप जहां चले जाइए सड़कें पानी से भरी हुई हैं, तो कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है।
Monsoons are here and so is the trouble. We are outside Ram Leela Maidan. This is where VVIP usually flock, especially once they have to make promises in the rally. Now this is the main area and you can see this is the main road. Now this is early in the morning. You can see people trying avoiding this particular road itself. This is the route that most people do take. They have to avoid this huge area. Now this is a deep pothole. We'll try and go to the people, ask them what problems they face. We know waterlogging is a major concern during monsoons. रामलीला मैदान में बड़े-बड़े नेता आते हैं, बड़े-बड़े वादे करते हैं, मगर ये पोथहोल रामलीला मैदान के बिल्कुल बाहर है। क्या बोलना चाहते हैं, क्या इससे पता चलता है?
इससे पता चलता है कि हमारे पास यहाँ पे बेसिक जो अथॉरिटीज हैं, बेसिक अमेनिटीज भी नहीं दे पा रही हैं। There is a very major pothole, और दूसरी चीज यहाँ पे बहुत एक्सीडेंट्स हुए हैं अभी रिसेंट पास में, which have been given to notice of the local police authorities, but nobody has taken any action till now.
Let's have a look out here. This auto has got stuck. This is a major problem now. Now obviously this is a dangerous sign. Anything could really happen. This is where the auto has just got stuck, and this, you can see the pothole. The danger of really having these kind of potholes. The civic authorities not willing to do much about it. With camera person Alok, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.